lot of manufacturers don't necessarily have a large inspection division because they rely on their suppliers to do all the inspection. So now we have to inspect on site. You want me to make sure that that all these are passing, receiving an inspection, and to do that, people believe that in additive you have to inspect every part, and that's not wrong because every part could be different, right? Every part that comes off the printer can have a change to it. It's like I was saying, that's one of the advantages. Some people don't see that as an advantage because if every part can be different, that means I have to inspect every part, and that's not typical. When you start talking about statistic process control, you test samples assuming that the rest of the parts will be somewhere within that range of samples. Whereas on 3D printing, it could conceivably, you could have one part be completely out from the next part. So those are things that have to be tackled. And I think in the future, that's what we're going to see a lot of focus on. Maybe not so much that on the 3D printing technology and the materials, maybe more around the ecosystem of how do we have additive on site, and how do we make sure that allows us to stay compliant with all the regulatory stuff that we have to deal with.